Hi, this is Chetna here. I am here at the front of KPCC office in Bangalore, the Congress office. I'm protesting here for the ninth day, and I'm doing this because me and my children are unable to live in Bangalore. I'm not able to pursue my career. My children are not able to pursue their education. We are unable to live. All kind of we have been cut down of all the resources that we require, unable to earn money right now, and I'm unable to give the house for rents, which my dad has given to me. We are unable to build the construction in our lands. Total encroachment of rowdies for in my personal and professional life. Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji, I understand that you're holding, the Samvidhan everywhere on this dais and telling that the Constitution is going to be alive in case Congress comes to power. But I want to tell, unfortunately, in my case, in I think most of the Dalit case, if they're not opening up, I am telling you, in my case, being educated for the fifth generation, I am not able to, experience the freedom, the liberation. I'm not getting any right to education for my kids, right to work, right for my private life, right for any right you take. I am snatched out of it. So I want to tell you, you are going on telling that the Constitution will be coming alive in case you come to power. How will you do that? See, your government is in Congress. Still they are not able to, they are unable to implement the Constitution properly. In that case, how do you ensure the Constitution will be implemented throughout the country without facing these brutes? This is the reality of the country. You can't just close your eyes thinking that you can just tell about the Constitution and law and order will come to get implemented by itself. It will not get implemented. You will have to deal with these brutes. There are forward class people who are actually, harassing and assaulting us. How do you plan to take action against them? In case if you want to, please show it in Bangalore first, so that then we can believe that you can, whatever pilot that you're going to do in Bangalore will be implemented across India, because this is not going to be easy. If you say just Samvidhan will be implemented, it's been so many years, still we Dalits are being harassed and assaulted. How do you plan to take action against the criminals who are doing all this crime against us? Please explain to us.